right? Okay, it shouldn't take long. Okay, we're inside Mr. Shepherd's house that he wants to sell to us. It's a nice big living room. There's a good sized dining room here. There's the kitchen, we'll get a look at that later. There's your front living room. There's your dinner area with fireplace. This is a good sized double wide. We might be able to make a deal with the company that owns the land to buy from them. They're saying that they want $25,000 for it, so we're going to contact them and see if we can work out a deal. Okay, this is the master bedroom. Now we're going to come in the master bathroom. Yeah, double vanities, toilet. There are some subfloor issues in the house. Looks like there's a little bit of dip here on the toilet. Garden tub. Don't see any cracks. Looks like it's in good condition. Nice linen closet. Let's see. What is that? I'm not sure what that is. There's nothing above it, so nothing fell down from the ceiling. There's a subfloor issue here underneath the shower. We'll probably have to pull out the shower and fix where the subfloor issue is underneath. There's a lot of dust and easy sand there on the floor. Here's a good sized walk-in closet. What here looks pretty new. Got a metal roof like we have on one of our houses, one of our single wides. Okay, come back in here to the bedrooms. There's a really big bed. Big walk-in closet. It's a big bedroom. It's the size. Closet. Second bathroom. So the floor is already done here. Just a shepherd. Kitchen cabinets look good. Probably your stove. So over here to the done. Over here is the house box. I do not see a signal system outside. Expect that. So we'll have to do a brand new signal system, or we'll have to put it on the sides or somewhere. It's got to be something. Alright, check it out.